Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add HTML code to a ConvertKit landing page. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on the Grow tab, then select Landing Pages and Forms. You can either edit an existing one or create a new one. For this tutorial, we'll create a new landing page, so click on Create New. Next, click on Landing Page and choose a template that suits your needs. Click on Choose to select your template. Now you're in the Landing Page Design Editor. Hover over the text where you want to add your HTML code, and you'll see a plus icon appear. Click on it, and a list of blocks will open. Scroll down and click on the HTML block. Your HTML block has now been added. Click on the Edit button in the HTML block and paste your HTML code here, and it's done. That's how you add HTML code to a ConvertKit landing page. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.